Welcome to DIY Hair School. Today we are going to learn how to do one of the easiest messy buns you've ever done in your life. You're going to start with a scrunchie. A scrunchie works great if you have fine, thin hair like mine because it adds volume, but you can do this with any type of hair tie you want. Start with your hair up on top of your head, and you are going to start by creating a ponytail. I like to wrap it 2 times because I need to wrap it 3 times to make it tight. So figure out how many times you need to wrap it around your head to make it tight, and the last time is the time you're going to create your loop. So if you only need to wrap it 2 times, you'll create your loop on the 2nd time, or if you have to wrap it 3 times to make it tight like me, you'll create your loop on the 3rd. So now we're going to do the 3rd time, and I'm going to create my little loop and leave the tail out. Now I'm going to just take the tail and stick it into the front of my hair tie here. Just shove it all in. If your hair is long, you might have to like tuck and shove, but that's fine, it works. And then you're gonna pull these parts of the front apart, and you're gonna pull this guy apart. Try to pull the back piece side to side, but also forward and back so that you don't create just a rainbow shape. So we're just gonna pull all of that apart. And there you go. One of the easiest messy buns that you're ever going to create in your hair. Once you have done the bun part, you can go in and pull some of your hair looser if you want a softer look. If you like the more sleek look, you can leave it like that as well. I like to pull out my baby hairs because they are going to fall out anyways. And let me show you the back. I love doing my bun this way. It works super well. It's super fast. It's super easy. And even if you're not good at twisting and flipping your hair all around to create the perfect messy bun, this way is so easy that pretty much anyone can do it. Might take you a couple tries to get the hang of it, but then it is going to be effortless. Thank you so much for watching today, guys. Leave me a comment. Let me know what tutorials you want to see. And follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Subscribe so you don't miss any of my tutorials. And I will see you here again next time at DIY Hair School.